Excuse me, everybody. I'd like to introduce Artie Muller of Rolling Thunder National. And before he says a few words, the Alliance gives a plaque out every year, and this year we'd like to hand it out to Artie Muller of Rolling Thunder National, and this is their 30th year of working for prisoners of war and missing in action. And then along with that, they've started with other veterans issues, and we appreciate that so much. Thank you.
I'm glad to be here, and I wish the issue would someday be resolved. It seems that no matter what we say to the government or how we fight against the issue, they call us always either crazy or liars. If there could be one POW alive, like there was found about 8-9 years ago in a Russian institution, they thought a guy that was Hungarian on our side in World War II and was captured, put in a POW camp, and the Russians didn't speak Hungarian, and they just put this guy in a insane asylum, and he stayed there for like 50 years. And after that, they finally let him go. And let him go back home to Russia. And if that can happen, that far back, what about Korea and Vietnam? I know a lot of legislation that we've gotten passed in the past few years since we've been doing this. They helped bring Jessica Lynch and the other 6 POWs home alive in the beginning of the war. In the Gulf, and I feel it's a shame that we have to keep fighting the government to do what's right. We never really feel to be home unless they're all home. And it's hard for everybody to keep going, but we have to keep going. That's why they're doing that. Because they don't care about our lives, the military. Anybody they send over, they only care about their own family. And anybody in the government that has any of their children in the military, they make sure their backs are covered and they don't become one of the missing, as a prisoner of war missing in action. And I just want to say you guys, thank you for what you do. Those over there that are still missing, and quite a few probably could be still alive, because they haven't proven they were all dead.
No doubt.
And keep on going. Thank you, and thank you for this. Good luck. I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless our POW. Thank you.